Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the creature Enamel, which is useful for crafting things like Enamel glass and Subnautica 2. So to begin, you want to go about 1200 or 300 meters from the life pod towards east, and here you should see a giant tower, alien tower, and a researched outpost, which you might even have the alien ruins icon above it. Now to proceed, you want to go towards this direction, as I'm going inside to this purple biome. You can also use these kind of O-shaped corals as a boost. Also make sure to watch out for these creatures. They are going to shoot bullets or kind of thorns at you. And now to get the creature Enamel, you'll need to find a kind of thing that looks like bones are sticking out of it. And you want to go ahead and scan it. And then use the sonic resonator to break it. Just like this. And you'll get the creature Enamel. Also, you can find giant sources of this, just like this one, and then you break it. So, this is pretty much all how to get creature Enamel in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.